pleasure, boom, cheap pleasure. Deep greedy, googling about the corner.
Oh my God, what the hell? Oh my God, punch my mama in the throat, karate kick my daddy in the chest. What the fuck? Oh my God, it's a transformer. Oh my God.
What the fuck? Girl, no, what the hell?
I don't want you. She's fucked in the head.
Oh, by gosh, by golly.
Stick together. You're my best friend. I love you forever.
Anyways, my broskies, I gotta bounce. Bounce on your boy's dick.
I can see you from behind. You can hear me in your mind. Run. If you're so mature now, then I think it's time you grow up. Admit you did it, we all know you did it, and yet you still gaslight me.
What the hell?
My love, 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 please don't go. I love you so. my lovely.
If you have not read Verity, do not watch this video. To recap, here is my review up on my Instagram, saved in my books highlights. Let's talk about that ending, that mindfuck of an ending. Because so many people say, like, how could she write that manuscript if she didn't actually do those things? But Colleen did. I mean, at least I think, I hope she didn't do those things. So I guess it is possible that she made up the manuscript and was just doing it as a writing exercise. I like physically cannot believe that though. Like I have to go with like the letter is total bullshit to cover her tracks. Like I need Jeremy to be a good guy. But I can see both sides. I can see both sides. So in the comments, like which you believe.
This is how I pictured the characters while reading Verity by Colleen Hoover.
Reasons why I think the manuscript was the truth. Number 1, if you know you're going to be writing such horrific things, maybe put a warning on it in case somebody else finds it. Number 2, she admits that she told Crew to hold his breath as it was tipping over apparently. Why would she not tell both of her children? Number 3, Verity claims that she was able to be herself with Crew. If he was used to seeing her move and having conversations with her, why was he so terrified when Lo found him with a knife in her room? Number 4, if the letter was really written for her to tell Jeremy the truth, she would have written it after he found the manuscript, not after Lo found the manuscript and after Lo was starting to suspect that she was lying about everything. Number 5, there was really a scar on Chasten's face. In her letter, she basically explains everything else that was kind of concerning, but she doesn't even mention this fact. Where did the scar come from? And number 6, she claims that her agent Amanda told her to basically write in this style. If that were true, she would have somebody who could corroborate her story in case anybody did find it, but she went to such great lengths to destroy the manuscript instead.
Screaming, crying.
Reading Verity in one day. Let's go. This is so creepy. I'm hooked. Trauma. I will never sleep again.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
Nah, it's not funny. I've got school. Nah, I'm not laughing. I've got school.